Our users might escalate to a human because they got some of the information for the topic they were asking about, but they didn't get all of the information they needed to fully resolve their inquiry. One indication that our virtual agent gives incomplete answers is that we receive a relatively high negative feedback on our messages. However, this may not always be the case, so it could be easy to overlook this issue, and it can be hard to spot unless we're doing a thorough conversation review. When we review conversations, we need to challenge ourselves to question whether or not the user actually had their needs met and whether the virtual agent's answer gave the help that was really needed. This job is easier if we have escalated the user to live chat and we can see the logs for their conversation with the human agent, because then we can see how the human resolved the inquiry and whether additional information was needed. But what's the solution here? We should review the content we provide in our answers and use custom tags to highlight these types of issues in the content when we find them. To solve this issue, we might need to provide more depth to our answers. This might involve adding additional intents, which we may have uncovered with intent discovery, or it might involve redesigning our action flows to provide more detail to the answers to fully help our users, or make answers simpler so they're easier to understand.